you ever noticed how sometimes the most powerful statements are the ones that say the least? That's the power of white space. White space, also known as negative space, is the area around and between objects in a design. It's the space that's left intentionally blank and can be just as important as the objects themselves. You see, from a psychological point of view, white space allows our brains to focus on what's important. It gives our eyes a place to rest and helps us process information more effectively. And when used correctly, it can create a sense of balance, harmony, and elegance in a design. Take Nike's logo for example. The iconic swoosh is simple and sleek, but it's the white space around it that makes it really stand out. The negative space, or white space, creates a sense of motion and energy, as if the swoosh is in constant motion. It's the perfect example to show you how white space can be used to create powerful visual impact. So if you're looking to create a design that really grabs attention, don't be afraid to use white space. And remember, less is more.